Hey guys, so today I'm going to be telling you 5 things that you can add in your diet to speed or to boost up your hair growth. So let's begin. All right, number 1 is omega-3 fatty acids. Now, omega-3 fatty acids are actually anti-inflammatory and they can help if you have inflammation that causes hair shedding. And also the benefits of taking in omega-3 or eating more omega-3 fatty acids in your diet is number 1, it triggers hair growth. Number 2, it promotes hair strength. And number 3, it nourishes the hair follicles. And it says here that fatty acid foods are found in fish, flax seeds, dietary supplements such as fish oil. Now, if you're not the supplement type of person, just go ahead and get this in foods such as avocados, Brussels sprouts, chia seeds, fish, and walnuts. All right, number 2 is collagen. All right, now it says here that collagen is a protein that promotes hair growth. And collagen has become an integral part of all beauty and hair care, and it is one of the most enriching nutrients for hair growth. As collagen acts as an adhesive, for it gives elasticity and strength to the skin and hair. And not only collagen is good for the hair, but also it's actually good for the skin and for your joints. So its primary goal is not just to grow out your hair, but also to keep your body looking young and healthy as well. So what I do, actually don't take a whole lot, but I try to include collagen supplements whenever I can in my foods or drinks, or just take it as it is. I have been taking in this marine collagen from the Reserve, and I typically include this in my meals, so it is very easy to incorporate it, and it does not take the flavor of the food, which is nice. And also sometimes I go for my plant-based collagen booster. Now this has a nice subtle berry flavor to it, and I typically add this in my oatmeal, but also you can add this in your smoothie bowls as well, because it is very easy to dissolve it as well. And if you're looking for, vegan options for collagen, then you might probably like this one. All right, number 3 is to take in more probiotics and prebiotics. Now, I find that taking in both together works well. It says here that you can take prebiotics and probiotics together, and doing so is called microbiome therapy. Prebiotic fibers help feed and strengthen probiotic bacteria. Now, taking the 2 in combination can help make your probiotics more effective. Now, lactobacilli probiotic strains can help support the scalp, promoting body's ability to grow thick, amazing hair. Also, probiotics supports your hair by reducing gut stress, improving gut function, therefore help reduce stress-related hair loss. Personally, for me, when it comes to probiotics, I like taking in kefir. When I was back home in the Philippines, I would typically drink kefir, but in here I'm taking the prebiotic, which is the brain and gut healthy creamer from the Reserve, and it looks like this. And I just add this in my coffee, and it is dairy free, it has adaptogen and prebiotic. And I know not a lot of people talk about the gut health and the importance of having a healthy gut, but your gut actually plays a huge role in keeping your skin and hair healthy as well. Just because if you have a bad gut, you may have trouble absorbing certain nutrients in your body, so therefore it can affect your hair growth and also the quality of your skin as well. And that actually is also what they've said the root cause of some health problems if there's a problem in your gut. All right, number 4 is of course protein. Now it says here that dietary protein is essential to hair growth and health because hair is made primarily of keratin, a special hair protein that gives your strands their strength, flexibility, and elasticity. So you can get protein in eggs, lean meats, poultries, beef, pork, turkey, nuts, seeds, peanuts, almonds. You can also get them in dairy products, and the list really goes on and on. So lastly, number 5 is taking in maca. Now, maca is known for its hormone balancing properties, and maca root has been shown to both inhibit DHT and restore expression of the estrogen receptor beta. Now, taking in maca is pretty much beneficial for women, especially if you have hormonal imbalance. And for us ladies, it is very important to have our hormones balanced, just because one of the side effects when your hormones are out of whack is you get acne, a lot of breakouts, hair thinning, excessive hair fall, and temporary hair loss. So that is exactly why it is important that our hormones are balanced. Now the maca that I'm using is the one from the Reserve, and this is an organic maca, and I actually like the taste of this. So what I do is I add just a little bit of it on either my drinks or oatmeal, because I find that the flavor just blends along with the oatmeal. So that is it, you guys. If you all are interested in the supplements that I'm taking in, or in the supplements that I've shown in this video, I'm going to be linking all of those in the description box down below. And once again, if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!